Hello, my name is Stefan, and these are the new features in samwin 6.2. samwin can now directly play raw PCM wave streams. To use a network stream, create a new announcement and click on Use Network Stream in the Action menu. Enter the settings according to your stream, save, and apply. Now you can use this announcement in skills, hunt groups or IVR flows as usual. samwin can now be used without a client application and with any phone. A user can call a number into samwin to log on to all his skills with that phone. Another number logs him off or changes the status. To configure this feature, go to the new node ACD Dial-in. Here you can change the extraction pattern and check the control codes. In this case, the last digit of the called number is interpreted as control code. The two digits before that are the user's ID. Next, we need to define a route pattern to direct to the ACD dial-in. This pattern has to match the settings we did before. This example routes all calls with a 555 followed by 3 arbitrary digits. Make sure this drop-down is set to matches. Select ACD Dial-in as target and click on OK and Apply. To link your telephone, create a new ACD extension. In the section Telephone Device, select the last option, Non-Controlled Physical Phone. Enter the number of your device in the text box. Don't forget to set the outbound call settings and click on OK and Apply. I can now use this phone to dial in. My user has the ID 2 and the control code to log on is 1. So I call 555-021. I hear the confirmation beep and I'm now ready to receive my calls. To switch to Do Not Disturb, I call 555-02 and 5. At the group configuration, I can also add custom user states and assign control codes. With samwin 6.2 you can now download audio files that have been uploaded as announcements before. You will find the corresponding option in the Action menu. We have now added a new system event that notifies of unexpected behavior in the database replication in hot standby systems. Go to the System Settings and then System Alerts. Here you can create an email alert for any kinds of server events. Click on Create SMTP Recipient and enter your email address. The new option, Database Replication Notification, is triggered whenever the number of tickets in the directory grows too large or when no tickets are processed for a longer period of time. You can also use these events to trigger an IVR flow. The samwin text-to-speech now supports SAPI 5.4. This allows dynamic control of the speaker's voice. With this you can change the volume, rate and pitch, or add an emphasis or a spelling during the speech. For more information on this, look for XML TTS tutorial SAPI 5.4 on the Microsoft Developer Network. You now have the possibility to add an outbound prefix per skill. This allows more dynamic call routing for outbound calls. With samwin 6 we introduced Lync front-end server support. To link to the front-end server you can now select our default Microsoft Lync settings. Next enter the server settings and user credentials and you are done. In this case samwin registers as Lync client with username and password and is limited to one number. To route additional numbers to samwin you can create multiple SIP gateway connections with different user accounts. For a greater numbering range, however, it is recommended to link directly to the PSTN gateway. We have now implemented a search function on various configuration nodes in the Web Manager. This makes it easier to find specific elements to assign. Here you can also assign all search results with just one click. It is now possible to set an alerting name for a hunt group. Also there is the option to append this alerting name. The samwin database setup for SQL Server 2012 Express Advanced has been modified to provide enhanced error recovery. The setup process now has to be done manually and step by step. This way you can monitor all the settings and adjust user credentials when necessary. Be sure to download the new database setup at the samwin Service Center. With samwin 6.2 we have implemented a number of performance improvements that make samwin faster. The communication between server and client now works more efficiently. Also, the call distribution has been improved. For any further questions, consult the samwin reference, the samwin developer's guide or ask the samwin support team. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.